Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Mom and Kids Creativity. In this video, we will learn Gandhiji's 3 principle drawing with very easy tricks. First, we will draw a semicircle. This is head of the monkey. Add ears, both the side in semicircle shape. Now we will draw hands on monkey eyes. Draw U shape here like this. Add thumb here. Now connect slanting lines from the hand. This is arm of the monkey. Connect both the lines with the curve line. Similarly, draw second hand of the monkey. Draw a U shape, add thumb and add slanting line as arm. Connect ear line with the slanting lines. Add a small semicircle to complete the face line. Add a smile in the face and 2 small circles as nostrils. From this point, draw a small curve line. Both the side like this. This is body of the monkey. Complete the arms like this. Both the side. Now draw a downward U shape like this. This is leg of the monkey. Similarly, draw on the left side downward U and connect with the sleeping line. Now complete the body with the curve line like this. Now we will draw fingers. Small fingers. In both the legs we will draw fingers. Now add tail. First draw a azimuth like this and make this line double. Now we will draw second monkey by following same steps with minimum changes. First draw a semicircle and draw a M image like this. Letter M we will draw here like this. Now draw a oval shape. Small oval shape we will draw like this. Add oval eyes. Draw a smile and 2 small circles. Here we will draw hand on ears. So draw a U shape as we did before, both the side. Connect U shape with slanting lines. Draw arms with the help of slanting lines. Draw a curved line around the monkey hand. This is ear of the monkey. Now we will follow the same steps to complete monkey body. Now we will draw the third monkey. First make a semicircle. Draw a M image by following this semicircle. Draw oval. This time we will draw only half oval. Here we will add Hands of the monkey. Add eyes. Two small circle. Add ears in semicircle shape. Draw a U shape to complete hands. Connect arms with the hands. Now we will complete the monkey with the same steps. Sketching part is complete. It's time to outline. So outline your drawing with black sketch pen or gel pen and erase the pencil marks. First we will complete the eye patterns like this. After completing these steps, we will color our drawing. To color this drawing, I am using pencil colors. You can choose any colors of your choice like plastic crayons, oil pastels, anything whatever is available you can use. So first here I have colored monkey face, hands and feet with skin color. Dark brown color in tail. And rest of the monkey body I have colored in light brown color. So do this coloring part slowly with neatness and move your color only in one direction. Here first monkey says don't see bad. Second monkey says don't listen bad. And the third monkey says don't say bad. Try to follow these principles in your life. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.